Okay, I know this is a crazy question, or maybe it's not, but like, do you still have to pay for parking if you're in the parking spot, like with your mule? Like, I don't know. Good morning, or as I say here in Bulgaria, well, actually I don't know what they say for good morning, but I say hello to everyone, and that seems to work for me. And today is it's early in the morning. It's not even early in the morning, but it's very hot. I can tell it's gonna be a very hot day. But we're going on an adventure. We are going today to we're going to Europe's oldest city. I've never been there before. I don't know too much about it other than that interesting fact that it is the oldest city. Super excited for that. I don't have a train ticket or bus ticket there. It's 2 hours away. On my way to the train station to see if it's possible to get there. I don't have a ticket yet. So yeah, next stop is the one thing I've learned, yeah, of course traveling, but definitely here in middle, whoa, really nice. Yeah, I was to say one of the things I've learned is one thing, you can learn a lot about a city if you walk from the center, from where everyone is, and you walk to the train station. It normally shows you the city right there, because it goes from maybe the center full of people, beautiful buildings, everything's nice, perfect, people speaking English, to arriving at the train station and everything is just okay, so I think I've arrived at the central bus station. Not sure I'm gonna take a bus or a train, but I think that they're all kind of together. Only problem is I don't understand the signs here. I don't understand the letters, so I'm hoping that a lot of places when you come here, in the bigger cities at least, because it's the capital, they'll have the sign in English and they'll have the sign in their Bulgarian, like as you can see here, how it's written. I don't know if you guys can see because that glare. You guys see? So what I'm hoping is when I arrive here that they have some kind of translation so I know where I'm going, and more importantly, I know where to go to come back. Okay, so here's the update. It's like 11:15, 11:30ish right now. The next train going to this city that I'm going to leaves at 1:20, which is in about 2 hours. I got the ticket as a backup plan. I'm gonna try to see if I can take a bus there, which leaves sooner, which will give me more time. Because the bus here will get me there at 3:30, which leaves maybe 3 or 4 hours to explore, then another 2-hour train ride back, which I don't mind doing. But if I can get there earlier, this is what happens when you plan things really last minute. Actually gonna call an audible. You won't realize the audible in the vlog, but I think I'm gonna use today as a catch-up day because it actually train puts me there at 4 p.m., which is really late to be exploring the city for an hour or two, then coming back. So we're gonna spin to tomorrow, and I'll do the same exact thing. We'll spin to the train station tomorrow earlier when I can do more things, and it gives me today to kind of chill out and relax. Yeah, see you tomorrow, and like we'll spin. Okay, so you remember how yesterday was gonna spin, or I guess like a few seconds ago I was gonna spin to today, which is tomorrow, and be in the train station going to Plovdiv, which is the oldest city here in Europe. Calling an audible, I don't know, I'm not there 100%. I'll come back, I'll do it another time. So today, actually yesterday was a great day to catch up and respond to a lot of you guys' emails and messages and everything like that. Had a great live session with you guys as well. But I'm feeling more today to just kind of chill. I don't know, some days I'm like, I need to do this, but my energy's like, you know, kind of just stay here and just kind of walk around and chill and kind of catch up on my energy, rest, work, kind of everything at one time. Oh my gosh, so many wild cats. And that's just kind of how I'm feeling right now today. So not going to the oldest city of Europe, but I think that it's important that I leave that part in to let people know that, like, some days I have plans and I really want to do this, but when I wake up and it's not a plan I have to do, and I feel like changing it up, to not be afraid to go with that instinct or that feeling that you have to change things up. Don't be afraid to do it. But now, like I say, chill day, gonna just walk around, not sure what. Maybe this is gonna be just one little montage of here in Sofia, Bulgaria, in the afternoon on a day when I feel like just kind of okay, so today is one of those days that definitely got away from me. And I'm kind of here in the square. I was like, this might be a good place to end the vlog, but might want to say this is something that everyone seems to be trying here, or everyone seems to have here, excuse me. It's like milk, it's like sour milk with like bacteria in it, so it's actually good for your, has a lot of probiotics in it, and something I've really realized, and it has to grow on you. It's a weird taste, like yogurt. It tastes like sour milk, actually. One of the things I had it with one of the pizzas from here. Mimi, if you're watching, it was nice to meet you. Thank you for all the advice. But I feel like here, Sofia, Bulgaria, it's really calm, really chill, and I don't feel that like pressure to go out and go somewhere and have to run around like in other big cities. You know, it's really calm, really relaxed. You see the people. It's a calm place. I'm really impressed with it. I saw someone in the comments, they said, "Oh my gosh, Luke, so you just love every city." It's like, well, there's something to love about every city, but here I really like it. It's like, this is my new probably getaway city, like quiet, small, no distractions. Definitely approve. If you guys come here, definitely try this. A lot of probiotics, really healthy for you, good for the stomach. And on that note, probably gonna end the vlog here. Telling you guys thank you so much for watching. It was totally a change of plans, not going to that old city, but it was just what I needed to kind of relax and just recharge a little bit. And I'm feeling a lot better now. Little nap, little chilling, little walking around, little working, everything combined. And that's the end of the day. Thank you guys so much for watching. Come to this part. This is where the walking tour also starts at like 11, 2, and 6 p.m. like every day, I believe. And kind of on that note, gonna enjoy this. Want to wish you guys a great day, morning, afternoon, wherever you guys are in the world. And everyone always remember to work hard, be brave, and don't forget to smile.